Hey YouTube, so I'm on a 34-hour reset and I'm in Temple. I wish I was down by the coast, but I ended up going to Longhorn Steakhouse, which is right there, for dinner last night. And I decided to just stay in the parking lot instead of, you know, driving back to the DC, and just played on the laptop a little bit. I have a better internet connection here anyway, but I haven't really done all that many videos lately. I've had some legal issues again, stemming back from a 2015 deal that happened. I don't want to go into a whole lot of detail about it right now, but for the last several weeks, it's been really kind of stressing me out. It's a large company. They screwed up. They know they screwed up. But they have so much money, they're basically just doing this to me. And it's not right. The only problem is, I can't afford to do anything about it. I've had a lot of people tell me, or not a lot, but the people I've talked to told me, I'm just, unless I have the money to hire an attorney, I'm just pretty much screwed. So I'm kind of stressed out because they're trying to take a whole lot of money. I don't know what's going to happen yet. But I mean, I don't want to say I'm going to put them on blast, but you know, I might. I just might. I don't know. I got to think about it. Damn, these cars never seem to want to stop, and that tree right there is not very helpful. But you know what? Better off sitting here and being safe than pulling out and making a mistake. Damn it, there's my chance. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. Not the best opening, but it'll work. So yeah, I ended up eating out Longhorn Steakhouse. I think I already said that. It's just that this legal issue that's been going on has just had me stressed out. I had to wake up early this morning. I talked to the attorney that the other business has hired. He was trying to strong arm me, and I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen yet, but right now it has me pretty financially stressed out, and I don't have the money to go fight it and try to go that route. So I don't know, guys. I just don't know. But I'm gonna get this video off my GoPro. I'm gonna also charge up my GoPro, so you guys should be expecting to see some backing up videos today. I got 2 short runs, which I'm not really happy over, but it is what it is. Tomorrow I'm getting a really good size run, they're saying. I forgot how many miles, but I'm gonna have plenty of stops today, so I'm probably gonna record from one Walmart to another Walmart, drive along, or maybe from the DC to a Walmart. A few different options I can do there. I don't know what I'll do yet. I'll wait until, you know, that load comes out on the computer, and then I'll see what I record or what I don't record, basically. Not the most information there. The other thing I've been kind of like chewing and kicking around, you know, I've had a few students. I'm thinking about doing like an interview with them, and you know, asking them what they think about Swift since they've gotten off my truck, been out running solo, or teen. I don't think any of my students are running teen though. But that's a scam call, so I could almost guarantee that's a scam call. So I don't think any of my students are running teen, but if they are, well, I guess we'll find out. We'll talk to them, just kind of figure out kind of like what's going on there. I haven't exactly figured out how I want to record the phone conversation. I would rather do it face to face, but me trying to get to my students to do that might not be as easy as just doing it on the phone will be. And there's a cop right behind me. So speed limit 60. So we're just gonna definitely watch our speeds here and whatnot. But anyway, there's just a lot that goes into well, being a student. As you know, a lot of you guys know, because you guys are watching my channel and, you know, learning as much as you can. Which also goes to the other thing. I've been trying to work with getting a full-time recruiter on my channel. Okay, I know I've said it a few times, but I've made a few phone calls and I'm waiting to hear back from this one guy. And we'll just have to see what happens. That car is probably going to get lit up, I think, because that cop went right behind that guy. He jumps off. Is he? Yeah, he's following. Oh, that lane just ended. Oh well, that's not our problem. But anyway, so I'm going to try to get some drive along videos for you guys. I'm also going to try to charge up my drone. I keep saying my drone, but I just haven't ever gotten around to actually using it. Sorry. Some of the video that I have done back when I was on the beach, I'm going to do the audio on that, the voiceover, and get that rendered and get that uploaded here real soon in 4K, because I now have a laptop that can do the 4K video. Unlike my last one, it just couldn't cut it. This one can. So there's going to be a lot of 4K video, like this video that I'm doing right now is all going to be in 4K. My handheld camera unfortunately does not do 4K, so that's just going to be in whatever native resolution it has been, because, you know, my other laptop could have rendered that one just fine. So, you know, I'm going to try to work on getting a 4K handheld, you know, for my handheld videotaping work. But guys, I gotta try to save some money. You know, like I said, I had that legal matter going on, and, you know, I got financial plans. I really need to try to work on getting through those. As in my last video where I said I made $19,000 in 2 months, my goal is to try to get up to $17,000 a month. So to be able to hit that goal, we're gonna have to, you know, run very lean and mean and invest top money where we need to make that goal. Because getting an extra, you know, $7,000 to $8,000, that's not chump change. Definitely not chump change. So we definitely got to work on that. This year, after taxes and everything, I'm hoping to have $30,000 in the bank. I got like $7,000 to $8,000 right now, but I do have like $700 on my credit card, so I got to cover that. So, is it doable? I believe so. Okay. You know, I am covering a majority of my mother's expenses, so, you know, we got to factor in that plus my expenses. But overall, I think I'm going to be able to hit my $30,000 in the bank this year, and then next year, between assets that are lickable, I can't pronounce that one straight today. I want to have triple that, 90,000. I don't see why I can't get close to that number, especially if I'm hitting the 7,000 $8,000 more my pay than what I'm making right now, that number can be very, I don't know. But long story short, just going to try to get, you know, assets, either that be in land, be in whatever, I don't know. Well, those are topics that we'll cover as they occur and as they happen. I do want to invest in businesses in Texas, just because I live in Texas and I know Texas and I like Texas. But exactly where I'm going to put some of my investments, I'm not completely positive yet. I do have some ideas. I do know I want to get back in automotive for sure, and I want to start a finance book. That's going to be number one, or actually this, getting into that. And I think that's going to be very, very doable. I'm trying to think if there's anything else offhand. I think that's really kind of about it. Now, that 7,000 to 8,000, when I said it on that video, man, that's a big number. I think that guy knows me. That's a big number, but I believe it's doable, guys, because I had doubled my pay this year. I went from 4,000 to 5,000 to, you know, 10,000. Can I double my pay again, or almost double my pay next year? Not with Swift, like I said, but outside, you know, planning and being smart and frugal with my money, definitely possible. So I don't know, guys. I mean, there's a lot that's going to be happening, and I'm pretty excited about it. So just so many different things that can go on. And you know, if you're a newer subscriber to my channel or a newer viewer, this channel is not about truck driving, although there's a lot of truck driving videos because it's what I'm doing. This channel is going to be more about me getting back to where I used to be, owning a company. But unlike what I did before, I didn't show anybody anything. I just did it. And I learned mistakes the hard way. This time, I'm going to show everybody what I do and get tips from you guys. You know, learn from, you know, the power of crowds, you know. I know that I will make the money I say I can. I've proved that already. So you guys are following me on a journey. Is that journey going to be successful, or is it going to fail? Is yet to be known. But you know what? Y'all are on the ride with me across this journey. And I'm glad to have y'all along with it. There's going to be times where it's going to be going great, times where it's not going to go so great. But I'm ready for the challenge. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. I got a lot of content coming to you guys really soon. Sorry for some of the delays. I've been super stressed out about the legal stuff right now that I got going on. That is my number one issue.